welcome. Today in front of me NOKIA T20 and I'll show you that the device comes with the USB cable inside the box. So as can you see here, we got the paperwork, the SIM tool here, and inside this paper box we got the charger, original Nokia charger, and also the USB cable, the Type-C to this tablet. So yes, if you'll ask if the device comes with the USB cable, my answer is yes. So that's really cool, and thank you guys for watching. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave the thumbs ups, to write the comments, and to subscribe our channel.